I'm Varun, and today we're going to do a guilt-free kind of a dessert. We're going to do a brownie recipe, but instead of being that buttery heavy brownie, we're going to do a all plant vegan brownie. We're going to substitute every animal based ingredient with plant based, and plus we're going to be using only and only natural sugars in it, like maple sugar and the sweetness from dates. So the base of the brownie will be almonds, rolled oats and flavored muesli, and the butteriness will come from virgin coconut oil. So let's check out this recipe.